and welcome to another Online Business Realm video. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to click subscribe to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. So for today's Social Media Monday video, I want to show you guys a new website that I found that I think is really awesome. It is called Buffer.com. Now, if you've ever had a lot of social media accounts for your business, which if you have a business is a good idea to have, then it can get quite daunting to be able to have to constantly pull up your social media apps, put your posts in, and things like that. I've tried using some of the other bigger ones. Hootsuite is obviously one that you may have heard of. Honestly, unless they've made a lot of changes in the last couple years since I've used it, then it's not really my cup of tea. I don't like it. I found that Buffer works a lot better for me, and I'm not trying to sell this to you or anything like that. I don't even have a referral link for it. It's just my personal opinion. So if you go here to Buffer.com, they have these three little layers that are their logo. And this will be important later because they have an extension for Chrome. You can see up here in the corner that I've installed. But let's look first at their pricing. So as you can see here, they have several different plans. And for most of you, the individual or the awesome is going to be perfect. So you can kind of look down here and see some stuff on this chart that you get with each account that you want to sign up for, either the individual, awesome, small, medium, or large. So if you are building websites for people and you want to start your own social media management company, then, for the $199 or $399 a month, you can manage all of these profiles at one time. That's way more than I want to do. I stay between about 3 and 10, so I actually have the $10 per month plan. It has everything that I want included on it. And here, this shows you the ones you can choose from. So with the free, you can't use Pinterest, but you can use anything else. And as you can see here, Snapchat is not included if that's something you're trying to grow your business on. If anybody here is, really loves Snapchat and would like to see some tutorials on how to use it for business, then we'll have those coming down the road. But for most businesses, these 6 here, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, Pinterest, and Instagram are going to be probably all that you need. So let's go ahead and log into my account here. So as you can see, I have my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter pulled up. So I'm mostly using this for Twitter. I'm able to schedule my tweets. And so let me show you how you do your schedule. What you do is you come over here to Calendar. And as you can see here, this is going to list all the times that I need things scheduled. And it also shows all the tweets that I've done here in the past. So this is for a cryptocurrency related account I have for an animated cartoon series called BitBoy and Hodl. And as you can see, here's a pretty funny one I did. If you're single, go ahead and watch our episode. Don't have anything else to do on Valentine's Day. But I try to post 5 times a day. And so if you go here to Settings and go to Posting Schedule, this will be where you can set those times. So as you can see, Monday or Sunday through Saturday, I'm doing this 5 tweets a day. Now, I want to get it up to 10 eventually, but for right now, that's probably good for where I'm at. And what you would do here, if you want to add a posting time, is just select which day, what time, AM or PM, of course. And then you just hit add posting time and it would show up. So I think this is a pretty good amount of spaced out for me. And it also, Buffer will let you know if you don't have any more scheduled. So I've got to schedule like 3 more for tonight. And it's already, after it sends my 4:30 tweet today, it's going to say, hey, you're out of buffers. You need to go in and set one up. So you can also look at your analytics for your accounts. You can look at your most popular views for different things that you tweet and stuff like that, which is really awesome because it really shows what is working and what's not working. So let's go over here to content and let's show you how to make a tweet. So all you got to do is just click on the tweet you want to add, and then you would just type in your tweet. So let's just do a little promotion for Buffer. All right, and then if you need to add hashtags, you just type the hashtag button and start typing it in, and as you can see, everything's going to pop up. So you just go here and select this. If you want to add an image, you would just hit upload, and you would go to whatever you wanted to add. So we'll just add this right here. and it would add that. And obviously that picture doesn't have anything to do with what I'm posting here. And then all you do is hit schedule post. And once you do that, it is going to automatically update down here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit schedule, and then I'm going to delete it because this isn't going to help me out with my account. But then it shows up. So you can kind of see what I have in my queue, and it really works awesome for Twitter. Now for Facebook, it's basically the same thing. It's very easy. Facebook isn't really too big on cryptocurrency related items or accounts, which mine is. So I'm not really focusing on Facebook here, but eventually I am going to plan on using this. But let me show you about the Instagram. The Instagram it could use some work for Buffer. So it's my one pet peeve with this. As you can see, Instagram direct scheduling coming soon. And everything looks like it's kind of the same. So if I wanted to hit this and then post a picture, and then if I wanted to, type something in here, hashtag BitBoy, and hit scheduled post, you feel like you've done what you needed to do. The only problem is it's not actually going to post. So with Instagram, it's going to send you a reminder on your phone that it's time to post your Instagram ad, but you're actually going to manually have to go in and post it on Instagram. So it kind of defeats the purpose. But overall, for me, just having this for Twitter has been so helpful. And being able to have the analytics. For a lot of these analytics, you're going to have to pay someone to be able to see your analytics for your Instagram post. But as you can see right here, all I got to do is hit most popular, and boom, here they are. These are all my most popular ones from the last few days. So as you can see, we're getting a lot of comments and a lot of likes, which is good for this account. We just started a few weeks ago. And our Twitter, we're really having the most problem gaining followers on because we weren't really tweeting that regularly. But thanks to Buffer, I've been able to do that. Another thing is Buffer gives you a 14-day trial to go ahead and try out the service. And, usually companies that do that have a lot of faith in their product. So you can take that for whatever it's worth. But if you're looking to schedule your social media posts, I think Buffer is a great way to do it. So let us know if you like this video. Like, comment, share this video if you could. And if you have any questions, please always drop us a comment. We'd be glad to answer those. So thanks for watching. Hope you got a lot out of it. And until next time, get out there and make some money.